In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Watermark in Kling AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to download your image or video cleanly, provided your account has access to the No Watermark option. First, open Kling AI in your browser. You'll be taken to the main workspace for creating and managing your AI videos and images. From here, look for the section labeled Assets. This is your personal library where Kling AI stores everything you've generated or uploaded. Click on Assets to open your collection. Inside your assets, browse to find the specific image or video you want to export without a watermark. You can scroll through thumbnails or use filters to narrow it down. When you spot the right file, click it to open its detail view. This preview area is helpful because it confirms you've selected the correct asset before you download. At the top of the asset view, you'll see a download icon, typically represented by a small downward arrow. Click that download icon to bring up the download options. This is where the watermark setting appears, so take a moment to read the options before proceeding. In the download panel, look for the setting labeled without watermark. This is the crucial toggle. Keep in mind, the no watermark option is available only to paid or VIP plans. If your account doesn't include that level, the option will be unavailable or it may prompt you to upgrade. If you are on a plan that includes it, simply turn on without watermark. A quick tip here, if you work with clients or share content publicly, enabling this option ensures your export is clean and ready to publish, saving you extra editing steps later. Once without watermark is enabled, click download. Kling AI will prepare your file and save it to your device. Depending on the file size and your connection, this can take a moment. When the download finishes, open the file from your downloads folder and verify it looks right and the watermark is gone. If you're exporting videos, give it a quick playthrough to check quality and audio sync as well. That's all there is to it. Go to Kling AI, open Assets, select your image or video, click the download icon, enable without watermark if your plan allows it, and hit download. If you don't see the watermark toggle, double check your plan details so you know what's included. Follow these steps each time you export, and you'll have clean, ready to share media in just a few clicks.